So look, it snowed outside last night. Or maybe not. I think somebody's tattling on somebody else. So we'll see what she thinks about this. Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you do this? Yeah. So you still have a bed in there. You destroyed somebody else's bed. Thanks a lot. And did you help in this thing? No, you're just eating. Hey, Ryder. Ryder, did you do this? Did you? Did you? I think so. You look guilty to me. Ryder, you look guilty to me. Why aren't you looking at me now? You can't look me in the eye now? Oh, now you're looking at me because you think you're in trouble? You're not looking at me again. Was that a bad thing to do or a good thing to do? What were you thinking? What were you thinking? Huh? What were you thinking when you were destroying the bed? Huh? What were you thinking? Don't look at him. He's had that bed for 2 years, and he has not destroyed it. Okay. So I guess he gets a new bed tonight, but somebody else doesn't.